In today's video, we will be discovering the top platforms for freelancers and exploring their pros and cons. If you're just starting out your freelancing journey, then this video is here to help you make informed decisions when it comes to choosing the right platform for freelancing. At the end of this video, I will share my own experience and personal opinion on which of these platforms is the best for you to start your freelancing career in 2023. The first platform on our list is Fiverr. Fiverr is known for its wide range of services and its user-friendly interface that it makes it a very popular platform for freelancers. Now, let's discover the pros and cons of Fiverr. Fiverr offers a vast selection of categories, allowing freelancers to showcase their skills in various fields. Fiverr is user-friendly, making it simple for beginners to set up their profile and start offering their services. Now, what makes Fiverr different from other platforms is its gig system. Fiverr's gig system changed the way that freelancers work. Instead of simply listing their skills, freelancers on Fiverr create specialized offers known as gigs. These gigs are like mini service packages that provide a clear description of what the freelancer offers, including the scope of work, pricing, delivery time, and any additional details. By presenting your services through gigs, you can actually showcase your expertise and attract the attention of potential clients. It also enhances transparency as clients have a better understanding of what to expect from you just from the start. Now, let's dive into the cons or inconveniences of Fiverr. Fiverr has a large user base, which means there is significant competition for projects. Standing out may require an additional effort. Also, Fiverr is known for its lower pricing structure, which makes it a bit difficult to earn higher incomes on Fiverr. Fiverr also charges services fee and takes 5.5% of your earnings. So it's very important to consider these charges when you are pricing your services. Next on our list, we have Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is one of the oldest freelancing platforms, and just like Fiverr, it offers a wide range of services and categories that you can start your freelancing career on. Now, let's take a look at pros and cons of Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com offers a diverse range of projects, allowing freelancers to explore different niches and expand their skills. The platform allows freelancers to bid on projects, offering an opportunity to win jobs based on their expertise and proposal. Now, a significant advantage of Freelancer.com comparing to Fiverr is its escrow system. The escrow system provides security and ensures payment protection both for freelancers and clients. Once you work as a freelancer, you want to be sure that you will get paid for the services that you offer, and escrow system of Freelancer.com is just a way to ensure that. Now, if we are going to talk about the cons of Freelancer.com, we can start with membership levels. Freelancer.com has different membership levels, and some features may be available only to higher level memberships. This can eventually affect the access to certain projects. Freelancer.com, like other freelancing platforms, charges a commission based on your earnings, but comparing to Fiverr, it's only 3%. As I mentioned earlier, Freelancer.com is one of the oldest freelancing platforms, and based on that, it has a very large number of freelancers. This means that clients can have different expectations, the quality of the projects can be variant, and also the competition can be very high on Freelancer.com. Last but not least, we have Upwork. Upwork is one of the most popular freelancing platforms on the planet. Based on Upwork reports, Upwork is the #1 freelancing platform and is winning the competition comparing to its competitors like Fiverr or Freelancer.com. But let's have a look on pros and cons of Upwork and see why Upwork is doing better than its competitors. First of all, Upwork offers a wide range of projects across various industries, providing freelancers with numerous opportunities to find work. But what it truly sets apart Upwork from Freelancer.com and Fiverr is its payment protection. Additionally to escrow protection like freelancer.com, Upwork offers payment protection as well to ensure fair compensation for completed work. Now, when it comes to payment protection for freelancers, Upwork is really doing a great job. On Upwork, we have two different types of projects. First, fixed price projects, and second, hourly projects. Now, if you're going to offer your services to different clients through fixed price contracts, Upwork uses escrow to make sure that you will get paid for your services. Let's imagine that you're going to design and develop a WordPress website for a client for $1,000. The client must fund the full amount into Upwork's escrow system. Once you deliver the results and hand the project in, the client has 14 days to review and approve the work. Once the client approves the work, the amount in escrow will be transferred to your account. In this way, you can be assured that you will get paid for the work that you are doing on Upwork. But when it comes to hourly contracts, Upwork even does a better job. Upwork has a desktop application which tracks hours, and the Upwork policy is that each worked hour gets paid. And when I say that, I say by experience that's true. So if you use the Upwork tracking application on desktop, Upwork takes screenshots randomly at each 10-15 minutes of your work, and you can be assured that you will get paid for each hour of work. Now, if you want to know more about Upwork payment protection like escrow for fixed price and hourly contracts, we have a video dedicated for that, so make sure to check it out right here. The next advantage of Upwork is its collaboration tools. Upwork has different integrations with Zoom or Loom, which makes it much more easier to communicate with clients through Upwork. Now, let's discover the inconveniences or cons of Upwork. Just like other freelancing platforms, Upwork can be very competitive as well. So you need to be consistent and patient on building your career on Upwork. Now, the main disadvantage of Upwork comparing to its competitors like freelancer.com or Fiverr, it is high services fees. Upwork charges 10% service fees, which can impact overall earnings. Also, you need to spend connects, which is the virtual money of Upwork, to send proposals. Each proposal can take from 8 to 16 required connects, which costs about $2. In conclusion, Upwork is more expensive than Fiverr or freelancer.com. This means that you need to make an initial investment to send proposals on a regular basis. Also, when you get hired for different projects, you will have to pay a 10% commission fee, which is quite a lot. But when it comes to choosing the right platform for freelancing, based on my personal experience, I believe that Upwork is the best platform for freelancers. As a top-rated freelancer on Upwork, I've earned more than $20,000 on the platform, and I have a first-hand knowledge on the opportunities and potential that it offers. Upwork provides a vast pool of high-quality clients and has different features to empower freelancers to effectively showcase their skills, expertise, and portfolio. If you are interested to learning more about how to become a successful freelancer on Upwork, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I regularly share videos containing tips, guides, and strategies on how to optimize your profile on Upwork, write winning proposals, and also ultimately build a successful freelance career on Upwork. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy freelancing.